Good morning, students. Today I'm going to start with the theoretical chapter. It is accounting standards. The accounting standards. Now you clearly know the meaning of accounting. Accounting is, we have to collect different information and we have to analyze, classify, and summarizing such information in a manner so that you will be able to find out the net profit or net loss at the end of the year, and you have to prepare the balance sheet to know the financial position of your business with the help of these different things. And such informations are useful to the different sections of society, such as the investors, creditors, the government, the shareholders, the employees of the companies. So we have to prepare our accounts in a true and fair view so that the information which we are providing to the society, they are completely reliable. So we have to follow different kinds of journal and counted accepted principles when we are preparing our books of accounts. We have to assume so many things and we have to use so many kinds of principles when we are preparing our books of accounts. So it is compulsory for a business to set some standards. The standards describe the criteria for a businessman when they are preparing their accounting policies, they are making their accounting principles. So we have to set such standards, and these standards came into force with the existence of International Accounting Standards Committees in 1973. They set some standards for the business concerns to adopt when they are preparing their accounts and preparing their policies and the principles. Now, the concept of accounting standards. Accounting standards may be defined as the written statement issued from time to time by the institutions of accounting professionals. They may be the chartered accountants, senior accounting officers. So, from time to time, in the written sense, they will prepare some standards which specify some rules and practices for drawing the financial statements. जो financial statements हमने बनाई, maybe it is profit and loss or the balance sheet. So they will conduct different kinds of, they will prepare different kinds of code of conduct for them, rules and regulation for them, so that they will prepare their accounts, their financial statement in a proper manner with the help of such standards. So the next topic is about the nature of accounting standards. These standards lays down the norms of accounting policies and practices. As I said, we have to follow, we have to prepare our accounts on the basis of such rules and regulations. The transaction and events which we are recording in our financial statements on the basis of such rules and such norms on the basis of these standards. In this way, with the help of these standards, we will remove the effect of diverse accounting practices and policies so that we can compare different business with our business. Because if every firm is adopting the same standard, it is possible or easy for you to make a comparison of your business with the different entities in the same organization. So these kind of practices and policy makes you comparable your business with the other firms. They prescribed a preferred accounting treatment from the available set of methods for solving one problem. If we have so many kinds of problems, and how we have to sort out such problems, with the help of these accounting standards, the organization, higher authorities, or the management can easily find out the solution of such problems. They provide information to the users, different user, as you know. So on the basis of these statements, the users of your accounting information, they have a trust on your business statements. The last is, they limit the area, they fix the boundaries. Limitations are the boundaries. It doesn't mean ki your business have some drawbacks. It means when you are preparing the laws, the rules and regulation related to your business, you have to fix your boundaries. Within these limits we have to work, and we cannot cross such limits. As we have some limits for ourselves, same we have some limits in the business also. So as per the standards, you have to fix the limits of your business. Within this limit, you have to work and you have to achieve your target with the help of these standards. Sometimes it is not necessary कि whatever standard you set, it is 100% accurate. So if any kind of difference between your achievement and the standard, then you have to find out the reason why the achievement is less or more than the standards you fixed. So standards just fix our limitations. Now, the objects of these standards: to ensure uniformity in the preparation and presentation of statements, to provide information to the users about the policies of the statements, to remove the effect of diverse accounting policies, to ensure consistency, transparency in your books of accounts. You may want to compare your business with the other firm, that can be possible, and to prepare, to improve the reliability and trustworthiness of your business on, you can say, the different person, the different journal public, I can say, they can make a trust on your business and they invest their money in your business. So with the help of these standards, you can improve your reliability and credibility in the market so that they can invest in your business. Next topic, we have the benefits of accounting standards. As you know, some positive and negative aspects are there for everything. So we have some benefits of this accounting standards. Our first is they will improve the reliability and credibility of your business. As I said, if you are following the accounting standards, the informations, the rules and regulation, all the interested parties, they will make more, make more trust on your business. If you are presenting your true and fair position to your businessman, to your journal government, to the investors, to the different sections of society, then the reliability of your business will improve. So accounting standards ensure the consistency and comparability of the statements. If you are using the accounting policies and you are following the accounting principles with the help of proper rules and regulation, and you are making your financial statements, your profit and loss accounts in the balance sheet with the help of all these things, then you can make a comparison of your business with any other firm, or if you want to make your comparison with the previous years also in your same industry, that is possible with the help of these standards. Accounting standards helpful in resolving conflict of financial interest among various groups. If any kind of dispute arise among the different sections of the society, for example, there is a dispute between the shareholders and the creditors related to the profitability of the business, so with the help of these standards you can sort out the conflicts, because such statements drawn by you with the help of accounting standards, it is compulsory for all the parties to accept such statements. So these standards signifies reduces the chance of manipulation and frauds. Obviously the frauds and manipulation and indecent kind of activities can be stopped with the help of these standards. Helpful to the auditor with the auditors who want to inspect the books of the accounts. If you are adopting proper rules and regulation, it is beneficial for the auditors. They can make a comparison. They can audit your books of accounts with the help of proper informations. Some limitations. Restrict initiate. Initiate means किसी भी न्यू चीज़ को इम्प्लीमेंट करना. सो इट इज़ वेरी डिफ़िकल्ट टू इनिशिएट किसी भी चीज़ को. इनिशिएटिव मतलब होता है कि किसी भी चीज़ को, नई चीज़ को अडॉप्ट करने के लिए हम ये कह सकते हैं कि कोई भी सपोज़ कोई एम्प्लॉय कोई सजेशन देता है, उस सजेशन को अगर हम अप्लाई करते हैं अपनी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में, इट मीन्स हमने उसको इनिशिएट दिया, उसको ऑफर, उसको इन फ्यूचर अपनी एडवाइस देने के लिए हमने उसको इनकरेज किया. सो दीज काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स आर नॉट एप्लीकेबल हेयर. रिजिड इन नेचर. दे आर रिजिड इन नेचर. रिजिड मीन्स किसी भी चीज़ को चेंज करना थोड़ा इसमें डिफ़िकल्ट होता है. सो यू हैव टू सॉर्ट आउट द सोल्यूशन ऑफ एनी प्रॉब्लम. जो भी आपके पास ऑप्शंस में आंसर्स हैं या सोल्यूशन है, सिर्फ आप उसी को अडॉप्ट कर सकते हो. Based on historical facts, these are based on the historical cost. Historical cost means कि when you purchase any asset in the past, you have to record the same value in your books of account. That is historical cost. कि history में, past में हमने जो चीज़ जितने में खरीदी थी, आज भी आप उसी चीज़ की या उतने ही अमाउंट की वैल्यू को अपनी बुक्स में रिकॉर्ड कर रहे हो. So this is a drawback. Obstruct the judgment of auditors. With the help of these accounting standards, they are acting as an obstruction between the judgment of the different auditors. Next, we have Indian accounting standards. Indian accounting standards are the new version of IFRS. IFRS are International Financial Reporting Standards. इससे पहले हम IFRS को अडॉप्ट करते थे, अब इनको चेंज कर दिया गया है. नाउ वी आर अडॉप्टिंग इंडियन अकाउंटिंग स्टैंडर्ड्स. दीज आर डेवलप्ड बाय द इंटरनेशनल अकाउंटिंग स्टैंडर्ड्स बोर्ड ऑन द basis of statements presented and prepared by the different users. Some features of this Indian AS. They are the modified version of IFRS. They are compressing a wide area. They includes the revenue, incomes, expenses, asset, liabilities, all the things. Indian accounting standards are principle based. When you are preparing your balance sheet, you are using different kinds of principles, so they are based on such principles. Indian accounting standards are transparent and accountable for the financial statements. Objects of Indian accounting standard: they will uniform and present the view picture to the investors, to the different section of the society. They provide information to the users about the policies. They remove the defects of different policies and practice. They ensure consistency and transparency. They improve the reliability and comparability. वही हैं जो हमने अकाउंटिंग स्टैंडर्ड्स के ऑब्जेक्टिव किए. मेरिट्स भी ऑलमोस्ट सिमिलर होंगी. द फर्स्ट इज सुटेबल फॉर इंडियन कंडीशंस. सच इंडियन स्टैंडर्ड्स आर फॉर इंडिया, सो ऑब्वियसली इंडियन कंडीशन में सुटेबल होते हैं. क्लियर गाइडलाइंस फॉर फाइनेंशियल रिपोर्टिंग. बिजनेस की क्लियर गाइडलाइंस इसमें मेंशन होती हैं. क्या फ्रेमवर्क फॉलो करके आपने बिजनेस की एसेट्स लायबिलिटीज़ की वैल्यू को रिकॉर्ड किया है. दे आर क्लियरली मेंशन इन इट. यूनिफॉर्मिटी इन फाइनेंशियल रिपोर्टिंग. जो फाइनेंशियल रिपोर्ट्स हैं वो कंपेरेबल, ट्रांसपेरेंट होंगी, रिलायबल होंगी डिफरेंट सेक्शंस के लिए. हेल्पफुल टू द इन्वेस्टर्स. अगर इन्वेस्टर्स, आपके इन्वेस्टर्स हाई क्वालिटी, हाई ट्रस्ट, हाई रिलायबिलिटी, ट्रांसपेरेंसी चाहते हैं, सो इफ़ यू आर अडॉप्टिंग द इंडियन IAS, दे कैन cover up the requirements. Difficult to commit fraud. Again, this is the same thing. If you are adopting Indian accounting standard, it is very difficult for anyone to adopt any kind of fraudulent or manipulating activity. Now, applicability of these accounting standard in Indian accounting standards. They said these Indian accounting standards is followed by the existing accounting standards. These are approved by the firstly Council of Chartered Accountants of India, then the National Advisory Committee of Accounting Standards. After their approval, they passed by the Ministry of Corporate Affairs, and in India they are applied in our country. Then the government of India has notified 41 Indian accounting standards, but some things are there कि if your company net worth is 500 crore and if a cooperative, urban cooperative bank whose net worth is 200 crore, it is not compulsory for them to apply such Indian accounting standards. For rest, it is compulsory to apply. The last topic is about the difference between Indian and normal accounting standards. The first is accounting standards are based on international accounting standards. They are the new version of IFRS. These are based on the long and complex procedure. These are assessed on the basis of transaction. Accounting standards are drafted in technical language, and these are drafted in simple and sober language so that we can understand. Accounting standards adopt the historical cost method, and Indian standards adopt the fixed cost fair value method. कि fair presently क्या उसकी value है, fair value उसको consider करते हैं. Accounting standards are not treated with trust and reliance by the investors, but Indian accounting standards are more trusty and reliable, and they are adopted by the different investors very easily. Next we have uniformity. Accounting standards do not uniform in financial reporting, but Indian accounting standards are very much uniform in financial reporting. And the last is accounting standard required multiple reporting for companies locating in different countries. मतलब आपको अपनी होम कंट्री में और फॉरेन कंट्री में अलग अलग स्टैंडर्ड्स फॉलो करने करते हैं एज़ पर अकाउंटिंग स्टैंडर्ड. बट एज़ पर इंडियन अकाउंटिंग स्टैंडर्ड वी हैव टू यूज़ सेम अकाउंटिंग स्टैंडर्ड. मीन्स नो मल्टीपल रिपोर्टिंग फॉर कंपनीज लोकेटेड इन डिफरेंट कंट्रीज़. जब से आपने इंडियन अकाउंटिंग स्टैंडर्ड्स को फॉलो किया है तो डिफरेंट कंट्रीज़ की मल्टीपल रिपोर्टिंग आपको करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. सो दिस इज़ अबाउट दिस चैप्टर अकाउंटिंग स्टैंडर्ड्स. सो you just try to read out the chapter and try to understand. Take care and goodbye.